Good morning, children. Now we are in another day and we have finished learning alphabets, letters A, capital A, small a, capital B, small b. So after A and B, what will come? Who is going to tell me? Anybody knows what's going to come after A and B? Then what comes? Yes, correct. C. After A, B comes C. So can you see now that C, capital C, small c, capital C, small c, C for cat, C for camel, C for cup, C for car. Once again I will repeat the pictures. C for cat, C for camel, C for cup, C for cat. Now what is a cup now? Anybody knows what is a cup? It's a small baby lion. A baby lion is called a cup. So cat, camel, car and cup and cup. In the same way we have one more picture and that is, so we have finished A for apple you have finished, B for boy we have finished, and now we are come to C for car, C for car, C for car. Okay? Yes, so now I will teach you how to write the letters C, capital C and small c. I've been teaching you all the letters earlier also. So I've been telling you all the lines, the red line, blue lines, red lines. So you need to touch the red lines and blue lines and write when you're writing your letters. So let's begin. So we go from the red line to the blue line, a big curve. Remember all of you, we had learned all the strokes, standing line, sleeping line. Do you remember all that? Yeah, so it's a big curve, capital C. Again from red line to blue line, curve line, capital C. It should come to the second blue line. So from the red line to the blue line, curve line, capital C. Next, small c. Now small c will come in both the blue lines. Right, children? So this is a capital C, a big curve, and this is small curve. Capital C, curve line, capital C, curve line, small c. Again, small c, curve line. Let's do it again. From the red line to the blue line, capital C, red line, curve and come down, capital C. Again, from the red line, curve line, come down, capital C. Small c. In both these blue lines, in these two blue lines only you have to write the small c. Let's do it now. Blue line to blue line, curve line, small c. Again, blue line to blue line, small c. Blue line to blue line, curve line, small c. Yeah. So this is your small workbook, your small English workbook where you have to write the capital letters and the small letters. So you have to open that to this page, page number and this page. Right? So let's do the capital C now. Again you have the lines here. It's the red line, the blue line, the blue line, the red line. The red line, the blue line, the blue line, the red line. Right? So from this red line, curve line to blue line, capital C. From red line, curve line to blue line, capital C. From red line, curve line to blue line, capital C. In that way, you have to do the full page, children. First, you have to trace it on the dots. Trace it on the dots, and then you have to write it down here. Right? From red line to blue line, red line to blue line, you have to write it here. Now, let's go to the small c. The small c has to be a small curve line only inside these two blue lines. So, let's curve it now. Curve line, small c. Blue line to blue line, small c. Again, blue line to blue line, small c. Please parents, make the child touch the lines and write. The child will only improve her or his handwriting if he is touching the lines and writing. So please make sure you are monitoring the child while he is doing his work. Again, curve line, right? In that way you have to do the homework in both the pages, capital C and small c, right? Again, capital C and small c. Oh, there is one more picture for C. C for cow. All of you know what is a cow, right? C for cow. So in the previous class we have already learned how to write 6. All of you have learned to write 6, curve line and go inside 6. Curve line and go inside 6. So you have already learned 6 in the previous class. Now you have to open your maths activity book, right? Open your maths activity book to page number 13. Can you see this? Page number 13. Yeah? So all of you have to write 6 in this book. Page number 13, you have to write 6 in this book. Now here there are some numbers. 6, 5, 6, 8, 6 and 4. What are you going to do with these numbers today? Let me see who is going to be clever. What are you going to do with these numbers? Hello. All of you know where the 6 is? How many 6s are there? 1, 2, 3. So you have to color the circle where 6 number is written. Yeah? Where 6 number is written, you have to color the circles. You have to color this circle, this circle, this circle. So you have to color the 6. So in this way you have to color the circle. Which circle has the number 6? This is 6, so I colored this. Is this 6? No, it's not 6. You should not be coloring this, children. Is this 6? Yes, it is 6. So let's color this also. Right? Next. Is this 6? Yes, I think it is. No, yes, right. It is not 6, so you should not be coloring this circle also. Next number. Is this 6, children? Wow, very good. So you'll all know how 6 looks like now, right? So you have to color even this circle. And this? No, this is 4, number 4. So you should not be coloring this. In the same way, you have to write 6 here also. So you have on the dots, you need to trace it, curve line and go in. That's a 6. Again trace it, curve line and go in. That's a 6. Trace it and curve line, go in. That's a 6. Another 6. One more 6. One more 6. Right? In this way you have to write the whole book, the whole page you need to do for your homework. Yes, so now we come to rhymes. All of us love to say the rhymes, right? So you all have this book. It says Rhymes and Song A. You'll have this book. You have to open to page number 3. Fine? You have already learned this rhyme in the earlier class. What it says? Come on, let me see. What it says? Rain, rain, come again. Come again today. Little children love to say, rain, rain, come again. Wow, wasn't that fun? All of us love to play in the rain, don't you? I love to play in the rain. Do you love to play? I think you love to play in the rain, don't you? So, please learn this rhyme. Parents, please help your child to learn the rhyme at home. He needs to learn this rhyme. He has homework which is capital C and small c. He has homework. He or she has homework 6 in the big workbook and to learn the rhyme. So stay home, stay safe and please do your homework.